Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 in 1 minute typing words. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at this website. So what you're going to be doing is creating videos. But on this site, the video is already created. All you're going to be doing is typing in words. So once you open up an account on this website, you'll be able to go to the video section and type in some words. Boom, video is already created. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and log into my account and just show you how it works. Okay guys, I'm in my account. And what you're going to do is create a video. So all you're going to do is just pick one of these templates. Let's just pick this one right here. So this is the intro. And all you have to do is type in some letters. So what you're going to be doing, guys, is you're going to sell this intro to people that's looking for intros. Because it's a big demand for intros. Now, what you're going to do is click right here where it says edit this video. It's going to take you here. And as you can see, you can put the logo right there. And here's the text. So all you got to do is just go down here, put in the text. So let's just put in AppGrind TV. And then you're going to click on make video. And you can put whatever name of the video you want. And boom, there's the video right there, guys. And you just click right here to download it. So that's how that works. Now, you're probably wondering, where are we going to offer these services? So where you're going to go to offer these services to people is this next website. So let me go to that website right now. Okay, I'm at the next website. I'm sure you heard this website before, which is Fiverr. And what I did is put intro in the search bar and this popped up. So all the intro services popped up. And here are the amounts that people are charging for making an intro. 55, 55, 50, 195, 90, 50, 25, 45. So you got a lot of different prices that people are charging people. So you want to kind of be in the middle. You don't want to be too high. You don't want to be too low. So $20 would be perfect. and you'll get a lot of people come into your account or come into your Fiverr account requesting to get intro done. And all you got to do is just say, hey, send me your logo and the name and the words you want me to put in the video. And boom, that's it. And the other thing you need to do is when you make your account, put some samples. So go to Motion Den and just make a quick video with a logo and some word so people can see how their intro would look when they use your service. Now, you're probably saying, well, Fiverr is very, very competitive, has a lot of freelancers on here, where you can also go to another website. So let me go to that next one. Here's the other website you can use called People Per Hour. So this is same as Fiverr, and you can come on here, put in intro, and let me go ahead and do it right quick. Boom. Here are the videos right here. So 20, 15, 15, 35, 40. So they're charging about the same amount. Some of them a little bit lower than on Fiverr. So you have two websites you can go to and provide these services to people. So that's the method, guys. Okay, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, sometimes I do shout out, and today I want to go ahead and do a shout out. And the way I do a shout out is I randomly pick a comment and flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. Please keep sharing my videos. If you're sharing, keep hitting that like button. Help this channel to grow. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. Please help this channel get to 8,000 subscribers so I can give away this free money. Alright, on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.